Guys, welcome back to another video, and it's like storming outside. My whole yard is wet, like pretty much wet, and I'm watching the Danger Games, but like it's storming outside. Huh, Ruby? Yeah. Tell me an answer. Yeah. Huh, Devin? It's stormy outside. Wow. Like, you guys, oh my gosh, I'm like so scared of storms. I'm scared of storms, like I feel like there's tornadoes gonna happen, or like, but yeah, dude, this is crazy. Like, whoa, look over there. You can see the water dropping, and then you can see like a little flood right there. And then when you turn over here, there's like, dude, it's like, oh my gosh, we're in a storm right now. It's not like storming, like everything's all flying that way. It's like a storm that's raining hard. Like hard rain. Like, dude, I'm so scared. I'm scared. I feel like there's like, but it's raining good out there. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at his face. Just look at it. It's raining so good outside. Watch, we're gonna be outside right now. So I'm outside right now, guys. That's just my TV inside, but it's raining pretty good. Here's my brother. Devin, say hi. Oh, God. There's my grandma. There's the TV. There's my Christmas tree. Let's go see Elsa. Oh, hi, Elsa. No. What the heck? Really, bro? But yeah, there's like, it's raining good out there. But yeah, I just wanted to share the storm with you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Love and peace. Bye.